This next tutorial is on how to add contacts to the database. Now this will be handy for storing mechanics' phone numbers, things like that. So to add a contact, you simply move your mouse till you see the view add contacts, click on it once. Now to add any record to Taxi Operator Platinum, you have to click on the add button, so click on the add button once, and as you see it highlights the name, so you're best putting in the last name first. So I'll put myself in, and to move field to field it's the same thing, press the enter key. I don't have any extension, so if you have nothing just hit the enter key, and the same for the direct line. I'll put my mobile number in and hit the enter key. I don't have a fax, and just the email address, so my email support at oztaxisoftware.com.au, and then hit the enter key, and then that's successfully added. You'll see here it says record successfully added, and just click to add a new one. So I want to add a new one, I just click on the add button again. To check that it's gone in, just click on the all button on the bottom, and as you see it's now listed there. So if I wanted to find someone with say his last name begins with D, I click on the D button, but as you see I don't have any there. But if I went back to S, where I just put myself, it will now show me that it's there. And that concludes the tutorial on how to use the contacts.